Hello, I'm Dustin with Day Night Door. Hey, I just wanted to go over a few things before we get started. So right now we're getting ready to hang the back hangs for our residential garage door here. So this is before we put our back hangs on. So we'll show you the finished product here in a little bit. Thank you. Hello, Dustin with Day and Night. I wanted to show you what we're going to do here. We got the door installed. Everything's set to go. We're going to have Augie. He's going to install his operator here onto the shaft. So you'll be able to see what that looks like here in a bit. So thank you. Welcome back. Hey, update. We got the horizontal track installed now. The last video you saw was before we installed it. Got the horizontal track installed with the back hangs up here. If you take a look at that, we've got those back hangs and we got this horizontal track with these back hangs. And we also have the head piece installed. Now the door is in operating. Thanks for watching.
Oh yeah.